If a picture paints 1,000 words, then why can't I paint you? The words will never show the you I've come to know. If a face could launch 1,000 ships, then where am I to go? There's no one home but you. You're all that's left me to. And when my love for life is running dry, you come and pour.
Litrato man natin ay kumupas. Ikaw akin noon, ngayon at bukas. Kung paboritong kwento natin magwakas, ay ulitin kong ikwento bukas. Sa pagdating ay siyang ating buong pusong salubungin. Di man yun tulad ng dati, ang panata ko'y mananatili.
You know my name. If I saw you in heaven, would it be the same? If I saw you in heaven, I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong in heaven.
Halika rito, sumugal ka ng 10 minuto. Sabay tayong maglalayag sa kawalan, sakay ng ating isipan. Iwan natin silang lahat, tayo muna hanggang sa pagdilat. Pupurahin lahat ng alaala, kasama sila. Saglit lang, tayo munang dalawa.
Kung tayo'y matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan man, ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kayang ako'y yakan at yakapin, hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya ibigin mo? Kahit maputi na ang buko. Leaves me so
seas. I know we'll be alright in time. Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive.
Can't say I don't love her, still I can't pretend. And my heart is torn just knowing that I'm losing my best friend. If it's easier said than done, then someone tell me why. Though I try, I can't find the words to say goodbye.